Okay, you have to be careful on this one. It is asking you to find present value. Now, it's always funny because students will say that they have so many different formulas in this class, but not really. If you really understand algebra, you're just manipulating these formulas. So the last value we found present value. This video we want to find, what did I say? We found future value. This video we want to find present value. Well, do what you learned in algebra. Divide to actually solve this. And this is where when you see the present value formula, or P as I typically use it, is future value divided by 1 plus rate times time. So in this formula, our present value is 73,000 over 1 plus our rate in decimal, 0.06, and 17, and this is monthly. Be sure if you're putting this in a calculator, you're putting all the bottom in parentheses, and you should get something along the line of $67,281. So this says if you have $67,281, life would be great, right? And you put it into an account, that 6% interest in 17 months, you would have $73,000. Now, all of these I've been going through and showing you how to use Excel. You could still use a lot of this Excel, but you never want to use, in fact, let's do this. You never want to use cells that have formulas in them, meaning you don't want to change them, right? Okay. Anything else you can manipulate. So this was finding present value, future value, I keep saying that. I want to find present value. I actually need a cell for future value, okay, or I could use this up here, it wouldn't matter, but to not confuse me, I actually need a cell for future value because I don't want to use one that's an actual formula here. So what was mine? 73,000. But now up here, I can use this rate, 0.06, and compounded 12 times a year, and 17. So what I could do to find present value, we just said present value equals the future value divided by 1 plus interest times time, and close that parentheses, and notice I get the same answer. So it's really learning how to use these formulas over and over. Okay, so let's even make that one where you don't mess with it, to use these formulas over and over. So now, let's say, well, what if I don't have $73,000? Let's say I only have $10,000. Well, that tells me how much I would start with to get $10,000 in 17 months. All right, hope that helps. Have fun. Learn Excel.